if you've been looking for a well-priced home in the Genoa area, well, I've got it. I've got a 1,200-foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sitting on 1 acre. And folks, it's been completely remodeled inside and out, and it's priced right. Let's go take a look. You know, when you walk through the front door, it's a wide open living room to the kitchen, and it's got a little vaulted ceiling in here. But when I say that they completely remodeled this home, I'm talking all the way from the subfloor underneath here. They put new insulation on the framework underneath the subfloor, then put the new floor. All the appliances, folks, are brand new. You got a refrigerator with a freezer combo, ice maker. You got a, the built-in microwave here, new electric oven, new dishwasher, overlooking your garden if you decide to put a garden in the back. And right off of this kitchen is your utility room. Folks, it's a huge utility room. And just out of the living room is the master suite, and look how big it is. The master has a ceiling fan, walk-in closet, then you walk into the master bath, has 2 vanities, it has a step-in shower to the right and a garden tub. They also put in new toilets throughout the home. Now on the other side of the home is the other 2 bedrooms, complete with a full bath. And again, each bedroom has a ceiling fan and walk-in closets. It has a 12 by 15 storage unit at the back. Now folks, this is a very well-priced home right here in the Genoa School District. And again, it's sitting on 1 acre right on County Road 10. If you want a private showing, give me a call.